Hi guys, I told you before I'm also into ceramics, and I did pottery when I was living in the United States, and when I lived in Germany I had my own ceramic kiln, and this one, however, I deliberately made it very ugly and old looking, because I wanted to create like an antique look on it. And I made this and I gave it to my mother. It is in my mother's house, but I'm planning on picking up on this hobby again, because you know it gives me very much satisfaction. And I bought me these crayons yesterday, but I still didn't buy me another acrylic painting canvas, because I'm not sure yet what I want to do. Anyway, I thought I'd show you. Bye bye. This is Elijah. Have a lovely lightning heart from Holland. Take care and God bless you.